bin of fidgets that I packed in the last video. So here it is. Here's what I'm bringing to my dad's. So first I'm bringing 3 puppets. A flower, a whale, and another flower. I'm going to be bringing a pea popper because I don't really play with pea poppers much, and I'm going to try to play with them more. I'm going to be bringing 3 simple dimples, these 3. I'm going to be bringing 3 monkey noodles, these ones. Some magnetic rings, a zipper bracelet, a poop stress ball, 2 Neatos, a fidget pad, a marble and mesh. I'll also be bringing a sensory ring. Is there anything else that I want to bring? Should I bring a bike chain? Bike chains? Yeah. Bike chains are not my favorite. They're not that good, in my opinion. Here's this one. It has like a messed up face on it, though, because it's a cheaper one. But yeah. And now I'm going to be organizing the bin. So first I'm going to put the puppets. So the Neatos, and then what the Neatos, the poop stress ball, the simple dimples, then monkey noodles, sensory ring, and the pea popper, the marble mesh, the zipper bracelet, magnet rings, and the fidget pad. Oh, I also want to bring a wacky trap. I think I'm going to maybe bring this color wacky trap because it's super fun to play with, and a wacky trap. That's what I'm bringing. Peace out.